Yeah, here we go. Do you have to sell yourself to be successful? Do you have to be a sellout to be mad though? There is no more honesty in being beautiful. Destroying other people's lives to have power, man, it's pitiful. Not exclude myself, I'm going at me too. Is real love is living someone, man, I'm so confused. Lies turn into truth, thoughts turn into proof. Dreams and goals disappear like magic poof. Without money and power, you become less a man. And women don't like men who don't have any plans. Hope is the tire, your heart is the engine. Gas up your confidence and be driven, and never let someone take away your heaven. Never shoot crap between 7 and 11, and don't believe that all dogs go to heaven. It's funny how people not around when you need them, but they seem to show up when you feed them. And anything they say, they want you to believe them, and later on you find out in life you don't need them. That doesn't mean you don't need anybody, cause everybody needs somebody, especially there's somebody. To be somebody, you gotta meet somebody who knows somebody that knows a lot about it. It's crazy how the world works when you got money. Without money, you become a walking dummy mummy. And funny how people despise people who are hungry and laugh at people who look funny. Not excluding myself, I'm going at me too. It's real love living someone, I'm so confused. Yeah, I'm so confused. I said, it's real love living someone, man, I'm so confused.